Hello kids, how are you all doing? So this is our last part of S-Plans. We will do two worksheets. So let's quickly revise S-Plans. I will say the sound and then you will repeat after me. Sk, sk. Repeat. Sk, sk, sk. Repeat. Sk. Sl, sl. Repeat. Sl. Mm, sm. Repeat. Sm. N, sin. Repeat. Sin. Sp. Sp. Repeat. Sp. St. St. Repeat. St. Sw. Sw. Repeat. Sw. So the words are sk, sk, sil, sim, sin, sp, st, sw. So now let's see some words with these sounds. So this is a scarf. Sk, arf, scarf. Sk, unk, skunk. Sl, ide, slide. Sm, oak, smoke. Sn, ache, snake. Sp, own, spoon. St, r, star. Sw, on, swan. So scarf, skunk, slide, smoke, snake, spoon, star, swan. Now let's do our first worksheet. So in this worksheet, you have to read the sentence and then highlight or put the S blend in a box. So whichever S blend. So let's read. Pick up the stick. So where can you hear the S blend? Pick, no. Up, no. The, no. Stick, yes. Where? In the beginning. So I will put stick in a box. Like this you will do for all the 6 questions. So now after and only after you have done all the questions, look at this video for answers. So the answers are stick, skip, the blend is sk, stem, st, spin, sp, snack, sn, swim, sw. So stick, skip, stem, spin, snack and swim are the S blends. In this worksheet, you will read the sentence. In the sentence, there is a fill in the blank for an S blend. So you will choose from these two options and write the correct sound here. So let's see this example. Let's go for a swim at 4 o'clock. So it could be slim or swim. What do you go for? Swimming. So swim. Let's see one more. The dash ing in our building is broken. So we have two options, sil and swa. So it can be sling or swing. So do you know what a sling is? Do you know what a swing is? Yes, swing is a jhula. And what can be broken? A swing can be broken. एक झूला टूटा हो सकता है. So I will write swa here. Like this, do for all the nine sentences. And after you have done, you can check the next part for the answers. So let's see the answers. In this, it is swing. In this, we have to dash aisle at the crowd when singing. हमें crowd की तरफ dash करना होता है जब हम गाते हैं. So हमें क्या करना होता है? Smile or snile. We have to smile. So the answer is SMILE. Some people are scared of dash snakes. कुछ लोग डरे होते हैं dash eggs के. So what are people scared of? Snakes or snakes? They are scared of snakes. So snakes. I like to eat any food that has a good dash. मुझे कोई भी ऐसा खाना पसंद है जिसका good क्या हो? Smell या swell? सूजा हुआ या खुशबू? खुशबू, right? So I'll write SM smell here. It will take some time to learn the skill or slill. So कुछ समय लगेगा ये skill या slill सीखने के लिए. Do we know the meaning of slill? No. So I will just write skill here. SK. The merry-go-round at the beach makes my head dash in. merry-go-round जो है उससे मेरा सर dash in होता है. क्या होगा? Skin या spin? Your head skin करता है या spin करता है? It spins. So the answer is SP. The dash ing in our garden spins around. हमारे garden का जो है वो spin करता है. So क्या spin करेगा? Swim या swing. क्या spin करता है? घूमता क्या है? Swing. So SW. We have to dash up maths class for football practice. हमें maths class pick या skip करनी पड़ेगी football के लिए. So what do? We skip. So the answer is SK. Have you ever seen a dash ale in the garden during rains? क्या आपने कभी भी dash ale देखा है garden में बारिश के time? So what will be the answer? Snail or slail? Do you know what a snail is? No. So I will write snail here. So the answers are smile, snake, smell, skill, spin, swing, skip, and snail. Like this, we are done with this worksheet. So I hope you are clear with S blends. With this, we end our S blends. See you in another topic next time. Bye. All the best.